This is a teardown of a EDUP brand 802.11 AC wireless USB adapter with Bluetooth 4.1 capabilities. It's probably nice, but the connector's kind of bent, so yeah. I'm not familiar with the brand, so it's another reason to not use it. And that's an extra light there. Should be just this little snap together case. See if I can figure out how to crack it open without poking myself. There we go. And here's the board. Looks like it's Realtek based. I wonder if I can scrape that paint off with my fingernail. It's amazing how compact everything is. It honestly probably would have worked fine still, but I don't recognize the brand, so I'm not plugging in my stuff. I can't read that through the camera. My hands are too shaky. If you want to read it for yourself, you'll have to pause the video. Otherwise, it appears to be RTL88228U. And apparently it's an all-in-one chip because that's the only chip on here, other than some passive components, some transistors and capacitors for power regulation, I'm assuming, and then on the side here, I'm gonna guess that's the Bluetooth antenna. Although that funky trace could also be an antenna as well. I like the fact this has an external antenna. Just wish I could show that chip better. It just does not want to focus to save my life. Maybe I'll zoom in. There we go. But I'm guessing these little chips in line with the antenna wires have something to do with signal integrity or something. It just won't focus. My phone hates me, I think. But yeah, I don't know. Pretty simple. Might be able to salvage this for parts, if anything, if you wanted to steal a USB connector or the antenna connector off it. Otherwise, yeah. Thanks for watching.